My name is Natik Kumar and I am a student at the advanced level at the Paragon Academy, Badin. So today the topic of my presentation is problems of Pakistan. So Pakistan has many problems. There are some issues of education. The biggest problem of Pakistan is terrorism. There are many terrorists the common problem, crime such as robbery, murder, kidnapping, mobile snatching, and pickpocketing. They are common in Pakistan. And as you all see in front of you, the problem of education. They have no proper education in Pakistan, and they don't give equal opportunities to men and women. They not give human rights. And in Pakistan, the main problem of adulteration. As you go any shop or mall, you see the chicken. Their chicken are adulterated because they feed and on the diet. It's they're growing fastly. And the second is that mutton and beef, they involve the water in a more quantity. It's with they increase the weight of mutton or beef. And the third is the milk. Am I right? You all take tea. When you take tea, your milk is also adulterated because they involve the water and increases quantity. And sometimes they inject the buffalo or a cow. They inject and they give them more milk. And this is a chicken, beef, mutton, and milk. They are very, very harmful for us because we are in our body. We make some harmful disease like that, cancer, heart problems, lungs problems, and the other issues when we eat the adulterate and substandard. As you all see that the in Pakistani, the adulteration make business and they earn money because this is a way to make profit and earn money. And some other problems in Pakistan, the inflation rate is high and other problems. Thanks.